coronavirus coverage. Foster Farms is facing massive fines from Osha for alleged violations found during and after a COVID-19 outbreak at its facilities in Livingston. The fines total more than $181,000. As CBS 47's Kirsten Mitchell reports, 4 staffing agencies are also facing penalties.
An investigation into what's described as the worst COVID-19 outbreak in California ended with hefty fines for Foster Farms and 4 of its staffing agencies. In the citations totaling $181,500, Osha alleges the poultry company failed to immediately report employee COVID-19 deaths and communicate with employees and its own management about outbreaks and fatalities.
That could have been, me.
I first met Zakaya Jenkins in August when she quit her job at the Livingston plant. She was hired by one of the staffing agencies now facing a citation and says she was never told about the outbreak.
Would that have impacted your decision?
Absolutely.
And you learned that through the news, not through the company?
No, I wouldn't really hear too much through them at all.
A current Foster Farms truck driver who wants to remain anonymous describes what happened when he had close contact with someone with COVID-19.
At first, HR told me, okay, you got to go back to work until we get your test results. And then I asked my supervisor, I asked him, they were telling me this, and he said, no, you got to stay home. From that whole experience, I was, figured they were just trying to keep the plant open.
Other alleged violations include failing to implement effective safety measures like face coverings and social distancing, and failing to provide training to its employees about the virus and disinfection. We reached out to Foster Farms for comment, but have yet to hear back. The state says the company intends to appeal all the violations.
I really can't say anything too negative other than, them trying to tell me to go back to work after I was in close contact with someone that tested positive.
The state says staffing agencies Human Bees and Marcos Renteria have already appealed the violations. Intermountain Employment Service says they plan to appeal, and we have not heard back from Staffing Solutions. Reporting in Fresno County, Kirsten Mitchell, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.